Welcome to the Katie's Garden Guide to Pruning Perennials. I'm not Katie. We've got a foxglove here, Digitalis panther. It's a really nice multi-headed one, an awful lot of flowers on it. But we're now down to the last bit, it's looking quite scrappy. So you can have a look about. There are a few buds, so I might be nice and leave them on, but really it's a case of chopping it all the way down. A bit of variation with the foxgloves. Some of them are just annuals, so you're better off leaving them to let them seed. But the perennial ones, if you let them seed, they're not going to bother flowering again this year. Whereas if we cut them, fingers crossed, we'll get another go. You can see, really taken a huge amount off there. And then we've just left that little bit, and hopefully those buds will actually take over.